Hello and welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we will be discussing about how you can change currency in Wish. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into our video. First and foremost, all you need to do is simply tap open your Wish app. So once you open your Wish app, you need to now tap on the menu option, which you'll get on the left bottom screen. So once you tap on it, simply tap on the settings option, and from there simply tap on the currency settings. So once you're here, you need to now tap on the current currency and select it according to your choice. And once you do so, simply tap on the change currency, which will allow you to change your currency on Wish if you restart your Wish application once again. So this is how you change currency on Wish app. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with these informative videos.